Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Movavi, and let's say I have PNG images and I want to make a video with transparent background from these images. If I'll just drag and drop those images into timeline and after that make a video, then after I will export it, it will have not transparent but black background. So in order to get what I want, I have to do green screen video. So I'm removing those files from timeline and I'm adding a file with green screen background and drag and drop into timeline. And now when I'll export the video, I will get the video with green background, which I can remove very easily. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.